Good evening again. So for sixth lesson, second to last, we'll be discussing about moral classes. Again, music system, page 1. And step. Copy this, make it faster. And what is my hobby? Next is name class. And create a new instance for the person class. Person there. Now set properties for the set. Name is period over. Yes. And my hobby is now display get name my hobby. So by using get and set, we'll be able to call this in the properties. Call yep. My hobby is slight error. Hobby cooking Jago Benedict, and yes. So that's it. Really easy. See you in the next video. Hope you learned something. Thank you.